My name's Saul Flores. I'm from the Amp 1 class. I'm a maintenance technician for the body shop, and I do a lot of root cause analysis. My time in the academy, I help you doing all the hands-on troubleshooting, dealing with robots, the OJT, working in body shop where I work now.
My name is Justin Housewright. I graduated in August 2013. Now I am an STM, a skilled team member. I work on robots and maintain the robots and all the automated equipment in the body shop. My time at the academy was spent learning electronics, electrical theory, pneumatics, hydraulics, CNC machining, and manual machining.
My name is Mark Limerick. I graduated the first class of 2012. I work over in assembly, where we work with marriage of the chassis and the body. My training at the academy helped me with a great skill set to come down to the floor with confidence, be able to do my job. I would recommend coming to the Volkswagen Academy. It helped me greatly with a future at Volkswagen. I've learned so much up there.